Y'all gotta try this.
Come on. You don't want to take no. Go to the tree.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. My battery is about to die, of course. Alright, so we are about to go to Publix. I gotta get a couple of things. I'm gonna make some salmon quesadillas. I never had that before, but I just thought that maybe that would be a nice little dish. So we're gonna go to Publix because I cannot eat tacos or quesadillas. My camera died on me, but and both of my batteries are dead. But we are gonna go to Publix. I'm gonna vlog on my phone because content is content, and I'm gonna get it done. So we are about to leave. We're gonna go to Publix because I cannot eat my quesadillas and my tacos without sour cream and pico de gallo, and we ain't got none of that. So that's what I'm gonna go get. And y'all, look at this pimple, but it's okay. It's gonna go away, and I'm not gonna pick at it. But that's what we are about to go do. And we're about to head out, and I'm gonna take you guys along with us.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would ya?
Okay, we are back home now, so I'm about to attempt to make this viral vinaigrette thing, but I don't have steak. I'm gonna do salmon. Like I said, I wanted to make it a bit different, honey. So that's what I'm about to do, and I'm gonna make it right in my air fryer. Cause honey, oh, it's not clean, but I gotta clean it real quick. Oh, you know what? I could clean it still, but I got another one. So I'm gonna preheat the air fryer. There you go. If y'all haven't tried this lemonade from Publix, oh, let me focus. If y'all haven't tried this from Publix, y'all need to try it. It is so good. I always get this. The bomb. This one is good too. And my daughter loves it. So y'all better go get y'all one of these.
Between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. Addiction.
All right, so I made some salmon quesadillas with the viral sour cream and vinaigrette, but I made it on my own. And let's try it. This is good, y'all. Oh yeah, y'all gotta try this. Hey y'all, so it is Thursday, and I've been wanting to try some celery juice. So I'm gonna make celery juice with some apples. It says you're supposed to try it on an empty stomach, so I'm gonna make some, and I wonder how it's gonna taste, because celery smell is but I want to try it so I can detox my body, and I'm gonna drink a lot of water. and I'm gonna take y'all with me.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my
This shit
vibe.
smell nasty.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Alright, y'all, so I made the celery juice and I actually went outside. I'm scared to try it. How many did it make?
It looked good.
It made 20 ounces. I'm scared.
One stalk of celery? Like the one bundle or one?
The whole bag.
You put the apples in there too?
Yeah, smell it. You tried it, right?
No, I don't put more for.
Give me a cup, Marcus.
That's like a ginger shot.
It's good. For real.
You about to say some. You about to say some slick. What you about to say?
Come on. You don't want to taste it. No. I know how that shit tastes. That shit tastes like grass.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
You put the apples in it?
Mm-hmm.
That's why. Do that shit by itself.
That shit's spicy.
I ain't doing it by
But
itself.
just go to the tree.
And the chicken.
It just gotta,
Did you stir it? Like, did you shake it up?
yeah.
Malia, wake up.
I had to pour it like 3 times to get different shots.
Mix it up.
Yeah, your baby's funny, so I sat her on the couch.
Hey y'all, so we are on our way to therapy. My daughter has therapy for 90 minutes today. And while she's in therapy, I am not gonna go to Target. I usually go to Target or something and run errands. Or not even run errands, like go to Target when she go to therapy because it's like right there. But today I'm not gonna do that. She's back there. I gotta wipe her mouth because she just ate a whole bunch of Cheetos. But I am going to edit on my phone while she's in therapy. I'm gonna be proactive and just edit because I think that would be easier for me to do. I did it the last 2 times and that was very helpful for me because I'm not just sitting on my phone scrolling social media when I can be editing. So using my time wisely. So that's what I'll be doing. I'm in my mom's car if it looks different. And y'all see the lighting is different. I don't know why, but the lighting is so much different in here. I guess because it's creamy. And the inside of my car is black. So yeah, and she has a sunroof, but I don't have the sunroof open. But yeah, we are on our way and I will see y'all later. We are actually 10 minutes early, which is great because I ain't even gonna lie, I have not been doing good with I have not been doing good with time. There's a fruit fly in here. And as a parent, I need to like make sure that I'm on time now because I'm not a morning person. So I decided to switch to the afternoon. And then my mom just lets me borrow her car instead because my boyfriend has to go to work. So yeah, and his car not working. So this is what it is. But it takes a village. So I'm grateful that I have my mom, that I can use her car so that I can take my daughter to therapy until he can get his car fixed. But I'm grateful for that. But I just taking everything with gratitude. Like I can't beat myself up for my situation sometimes, because sometimes it's not in my control. Life happens. Life is gonna be life, and regardless, we about to get out, and this fruit fly needs to go. But yeah, we are about to just go inside because it's whatever. But yeah, that's it for now. Alright guys, therapy is done. Now we are at Walmart. I hope they don't take long, because when I came here before to this location, they took a long time. But hopefully they don't take a long time this time. But we'll see. No, that's not my order. But I need to go to Aldi's now because I need to make juice. I'm supposed to work out with my mom today. We'll see if we still go to the gym. But if we do, good. If we don't, then oh well, because I am sleepy. I slept for what, 5 hours, I think. But yeah, I miss getting sleep whenever I felt like it, but it's fine. The Walmart pickup was actually pretty quick, and I guess I still gotta go to Aldi's because they didn't have any peas and carrots, and I want to make hibachi. But like, look at this pepper. I'm gonna have to request a refund. I'm sorry, but what is this? Like, why would you give me this? Why? But whatever. Gotta throw that away. I don't like to. Like, why would you give me something that's obviously bruised? Like, make it make sense. I made it to Aldi's. I just gotta get a couple of stuff. We're gonna be in and out. You can't get out there. Wait. Mom, say hi. This is mom life for me. Okay, so the gym was nice. Got some little cardio in. The next time I come, I am going to do some weights. The little small weights. I've seen some exercises on TikTok and some jump rope. But it was nice. And next time I'm gonna bring my daughter iPad because I didn't know the clubhouse had Wi-Fi. So yeah, so day 1 of workout is done. Child, my mama done bathed my daughter for me, put her to sleep. So now I'm cooking us some dinner real quick. This is what grandmas are for. This is what mamas is for. Oh my God, I'm so appreciative for her. Like, I'm knocking out dinner while she knock out bath time routine for me. I love it here. I love it here. I love you, mommy. I love my mama so much, y'all. Woo.